We're announcing a new software development at the CES 2026. We call it FreePath. FreePath is the software that allows the operator of the bigger machineries in industrial applications to look at the screen and see a drivable, obstacle-free, risk-free path for moving forward. Essentially, what the driver sees in his screen is a green area in front of him and around and behind him. And the green area means the driver can drive through this area without hitting anything. The way we do it, we put multiple radars, 4D imaging radars around the vehicle, and we network these radars and we create fusion between them, and that's the FreePath software. For further information, please contact us. We would love to show you a demo.